Hello. What's up? My name is Alicia Hallie. I make videos on lifestyle improvement, life hacks, DIY, decluttering, all that jazz. And you're probably like, girl, I can't even hear what you're saying. What is this? What is this? So even though my apartment's clean pretty much every day, we all have that clutter. What is it called? A junk drawer? I don't even have one. A junk drawer? I don't have a junk drawer. I have a clutter corner. A clutter corner where things that I don't know where they should go or don't feel like putting them anywhere, they go right here. They go right here, just on this countertop. And it's starting to stress me out. I have nightmares about it. So it's time to do something about it. So things over here are generally things that just, I don't know where they go. Or I use them every day. Like this. I pretty much drink my protein every day. So I'm like, oh, it's in hand reach. I can just reach it. But no, it belongs in the cabinet. Sorry, I'm looking this way and you're over here, I think. So anyways, I need to not have this look like this. I will feel so much more at peace when this is just like one little box or something. In case you can't realize what's happening over here, let me just give you a closer look, okay? Okay, so this corner actually stems from the bar top. So this is the bar top. Because I don't have a dining room table, this is like where I would eat. So I really just have this space to eat, right? But then like this, I hate eating and looking at this. I don't like it. So what do we have? We have a diffuser, random gadget, candle, what was that? Smell good. And then like this basket is full of all stationery stuff. So post-its, cards, what are these called? Little tag things for the wall. And right behind it, more stationery. Things that I get from swag that I just never use. Highlighters, scissors, more papers, pens, and then like Aztec masks. Like, what is this? Pre-workout, water bottle. This is like protein. All my supplements and stuff like that just end up here because it's like, grab, you're about to go out the door at 6 a.m. Grab. Wipes, because I like wipe everything down like at all times. A random box where I just open this speaker. I need to declutter this. This should not be. I would like there to be some candles. This thing actually can be up in the corner, but I don't know. I really just want some candles, everything to be in one box, and all this stuff put away. I don't want it out on a daily basis. So, this is the before clutter corner. The before. In case you want to see. This is what I have to see every day. Oh, it's stressing me out just looking at it right now. It's stressing me out. Okay, hopefully I'll be done within an hour. Let's go. Okay, so this is now empty. And everything that was inside of here is either in the trash can or out here to keep. So I have a lot of Post-its for some reason. So these are all my Post-its. This size. These are all like the smallest ones, I guess, and some paper clips. Then the medium size ones. This one actually holds a whole bunch of Post-its in it that are about this size. Then the larger size Post-its. And then these are flashcards. I used to use them. I kind of just use my phone now, but I used to use it a lot when I used to make up exercises for my classes. These are just, nothing serious. It's like back in the day when I used to do little theater camps at YMCA. A whole bunch of cards, whether they be DJ cards, grocery, Ralph's card, library cards. Those are all there. I randomly have this Spot It game. I don't have a TV, so I feel like I'm the type of person that feels like you should have one or two games to play if people come over, because I literally don't have a television, so we can't just do that. But Spot It. That's a game that I apparently have. This, when I used to work for Padres, it used to be so hot, I used to have this on a necklace. It's a little fan when we'd be outside. I have a lot of change, actually. Not as much as I used to, but that's all going to go in a wallet. I don't know if those batteries work. I have a lot of keys that I do not know where they belong. So I'm going to try my mailbox or my front door. And if it's not one of those two, I'm just going to throw them away. A lot of tacks. Sometimes I use them to hang hats on my wall. Random things. Random stickers when I worked at the boxing club. These are stamps, Black Lives Matter sticker, car smell goods, staples. I don't know when I ever need a stapler, but I know if I threw that away, I would need one tomorrow. So, not throwing that away. Some tape, and then I'm gonna put away all these protein stuff. So this is like, whoop, that fell. That was BCAA, but pre-workout protein. I'm gonna actually put some of that away. But before I do that, I'm going to first get to now this. Now I'm gonna get to this. And then once I'm done with that, then I'll put the protein away, and then we'll take it from there. Okay. Oh my God, it's just a hot mess. So I don't like these dividers. Like, this technically is holding everything it's supposed to, but I don't want to see it. I want it in a closed box that has easy access. Okay. So I don't know if you can see, but in case you're wondering, I use You Can Beam protein powder. The two flavors I have is the birthday cake, birthday cake, right? Birthday cake and vegan peanut butter protein. I use that one. So those two go on the front. Sorry, excuse the fan in the background. It's hot in these streets. This is what's left. Empty. That's what everything was in, and then everything kind of spilled over on the countertop. But things that I'm actually going to try to keep are on this counter. So I checked to make sure everything worked. All these pins and highlighters. So I have the highlighters, markers, pins, pencils. Then I have some of the stuff we kind of just went over again. I'm going to try to throw away as much keys as I can. If none of them work, Post-its, cards and stuff. More Post-its. Oh, these are flashcards. What is that? Tape. Hand sanitizer and box, and then a little random guy. I don't know where I'm going to put this diffuser. I might put it by the head of my bed. Right? Because if I'm using it for sleep, yeah? Alright. Let's get rid of this stuff. Instead of just getting rid of it, I need it to go somewhere. Let me show you what I got. Okay, so now that this area is getting its life together, wanna know what I got? This. So this is kind of like this thick. I honestly didn't measure to see how big that area was over there, but nobody has time for that. So it literally just has 2 drawers. Ooh, look, when I went to the store, I put my mask on there. So 2 drawers, and everything should fit in there. The top drawer, I'm probably going to put, the most often thing I grab from over there is like scissors. So scissors, pins, stuff like that on top. Things you can write with and cut with on top. Things on the bottom, things you can write with. And then that should be it. I can't wait for my clutter to be gone. Clutter be gone. So if you open this up, on my pens, highlighters, markers, Sharpies, markers, pencils, a little Bop It thing. These are called scissors thing. And I put that $20 cash. If you visit my house, don't you take this $20. Don't you take this $20. You just never know. You need to have $20, just cash. You just stash somewhere. And then hand sanitizers. Those words are hard. What are these called? Tacks, ticks, whatever those things, thumbtacks, Post-its. All the Post-its fit. I thought I was gonna have to get rid of a lot of Post-its. I didn't. So really excited about that. Tape. This cleans like your screens and lenses and stuff like that. So in case you're wondering what that is, I always need to have a mint on deck. Flashcards. Stapler actually fit. Didn't have to throw it away. And then I couldn't throw away my Black Lives Matter sticker. I just couldn't do it. So anyway, so yeah, everything fit in here perfectly. Ooh, I'm like, why are things not stacked like OCD wise? It's because you open and close the drawer and things move. How dare they? So anyway, so that's my drawer, and it most likely will stay like this because I believe. So anyways, you know what? It is bothering me that this is on top. Bam. And then, in case you're wondering why this looks like this, so this outlet is very old, so you can see. This outlet is very old, so anything I plug into it just falls over. I literally have to have this match deck box right under it so it stays under there. And then that's not that high, so then I have to have this thing that's high enough. And then this dog's like, don't look over here. Don't look over here. There's nothing to see, nothing to see. So that's why that's like that. And then my humidifier is just over here chilling. It's like in the middle of where my desk, my kitchen, everything is. And worst case scenario, if I want it more in the middle of the room, I'll just bring it out more center. But for now, it's in the corner chilling. And this is my new clutter corner. Yay, yay. Look at me. I used to not be able to put my elbow like this. Look at this. I love it so much. So, this is my decluttered corner now. Who's excited? I am! So now when I'm eating at my countertop, this is what I see instead of all that trash. It was embarrassing. It was disrespectful. It was unacceptable. So, that's it. If you want any other things just about, studio apartment living, let me know. I do have a tour coming up before I do some more DIYs. Other than that, catch you later.